why the Targus Quad 4K docking station might finally give your laptop the setup it deserves.
You know that feeling. You're staring at your laptop screen, toggling between 12 tabs, squinting at spreadsheets that deserve their own zip code. Your brain is juggling, but your screen, it's holding you hostage. One monitor simply isn't cutting it anymore. This frustration is real. I once lost an entire afternoon just hunting for a buried window. Sound painfully familiar to you too? Here's where it gets worse. Every minute spent alt-tabbing is a minute stolen from actual work. The mental drain adds up quietly. One colleague told me she felt exhausted before lunch, not from the work itself, but from the constant screen-switching chaos. That's silent productivity theft. But what if your workspace could finally breathe and expand? Hope exists. Enter the Targus USB-C Universal Quad 4K Docking Station. This isn't just another dock collecting dust. Don't just buy any docking station. Make sure it has Quad 4K display support so you never suffer from cramped single-screen frustration again. The Dock 570 USC connects up to 4 4K monitors through one single USB-C cable. That's serious screen real estate delivered effortlessly. Unlike typical docks limited to dual displays, this one uses DisplayLink technology, meaning it works with virtually any USB-C laptop. No Thunderbolt required. A software developer friend upgraded last month. He spread his code editor, terminal, browser, and Slack across 4 screens. His exact words were, "I forgot what minimizing windows even means now." The 100-watt power delivery keeps your laptop charged all day, eliminating that second cable entirely. Here's a small bonus insight most reviews skip. The Gigabit Ethernet port delivers wired connection stability that Wi-Fi simply cannot match during those critical video calls. Game-changer detail. The Targus QV4K transforms chaotic workflows into calm, organized productivity sessions. Let's talk about what daily life actually looks like with this dock. Imagine sitting down, plugging in one cable, and watching 4 crisp monitors light up instantly. Your spreadsheets breathe, your dashboard sits side by side, your email stops hiding behind everything else. A financial analyst shared that her Bloomberg terminal, Excel models, and research reports finally coexist peacefully across 4 screens. She mentioned feeling less mentally exhausted by noon because the constant window hunting simply vanished. The workflow friction we accept as normal, it evaporates. Content creators love that the timeline, preview window, and media browser each get dedicated space. One video editor admitted he initially doubted DisplayLink technology for creative work. After 6 weeks, he called it his most valuable desk upgrade ever. Real experience matters. Have you ever calculated how many hours you lose weekly just rearranging windows? The 5 USB ports handle your keyboard, mouse, webcam, and external drives without drama. The security lock slot protects your investment in shared office environments. Professionals across industries, from architects to data analysts, report smoother days and cleaner focus. That quiet confidence, it compounds. People are catching on quickly. Stock levels shift as more professionals discover what Quad 4K productivity actually feels like. The Targus DOCK 570 USZ has earned consistently glowing feedback from enterprise IT teams, remote workers, and creative professionals alike. Reliability matters here. One IT manager deploying 50 units reported minimal support tickets and maximum user satisfaction. That's real-world proof. If your current setup feels limiting and frustrating, this might be the moment to change that story. Check the link below and see what your workspace could become.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.